And we've had a new tool come in, so let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, we have a new tool to cover today. The tool we got in is a mini chainsaw by Orblon. And the something interesting about this tool is the manufacturer says we can use the batteries from this tool in our DeWALT products. So you know, instead of spending like $300 for a battery, you can spend like check it out on their website. Right away we can see that we have a hard case. That's real nice. 6-inch mini chainsaw by Orblon. Accessories kit. Oh, look. Chain sharpener. Ah, look. An extra chain. Does one come on the saw? Is one already on the saw? Is it an extra chain? It is. An extra chain comes in the accessories kit with the sharpener, with the chain sharpener. And we have a little chain guard. Goes on the chain. How about that? It's pretty nice. Okay, we have a rigid hand guard. It's got a little oil reservoir right here. You can pump the oil from the reservoir right onto the machine. A charger, instruction manual. We have some oil to lube up our chain. A debris brush. Brush the debris out of our tool. We have a little screw-on type applicator. Like that. That's a nice big bottle of oil. Look at that. Oh, safety glasses. We got some safety glasses and a battery. Oh, that's a big beefy battery. This is a big beefy battery. And it has the tester. It's fully charged. 20 volt lithium ion 3 amp hour Orblon power core. Let's just test it out and see. Oh, it fits. It fits on the DeWALT and it works. How about that? Yeah, we're going to test this on other DeWALT stuff too. Alright, like that. And interestingly enough, they look extremely similar. Very, very similar. Thanks for coming to the unboxing of this new tool, this Orblon mini chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw with batteries that work in the DeWALT products, you know, for way less cost, than the regular DeWALT stuff. Okay.